I have the honor to present to you the junior high school completer from section Ramon Magsaysay, starting with Jamie Clay Ico B. Acuña, Sophia Nicole B. Andaya, Sean Andre P. Alvaro, April Luis H. Bermundo, Mark Jericho M. Bernaldez, Krisa May D. Putardo, Mark Joshly J. Urial, Mickey Ayesha A. De Guzman with academic honors, King Joe D. De la Cruz, Christine Rose D. De la Cruz, Derek John M. Esteban, Leandra Denise M. De la Peña, Jerome A. Flores, Johanna Ardil S. Esteban with academic honors, Henry R. Gandesila, Daniel D. Pelitro, J. Ian Carlo E. Improso, Alia Nicole B. Figueroa, Carl Kerwin R. Lumibaw with academic honors, Stephanie M. Gabriel, Nash Raven S. Manuel, Shekinah Luis Jayuan with academic honors, John Louis C. Matutinas, Althea Jane F. Gonzalez with academic honors,